Murugamiriri wa ihinda wa bodi ya mbeniko bururi-ini Paul Werukoi, murugamiriri wa kigina bodi-ini no Rufus Ngothi, odumwe na murugamiriri munene wa uheyani wa kadarathi wa bodi ya mbeniko Peter Kabuthu nio maikitio ngono ni ruhonge rwa kuhitana na ungumania EACC magicukirwo guthukangia kigina kia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 2.5 thiini wa bodi ya uramati wa mahwa ma mbeniko.
We'll be arraigned in court on Monday 30th at Nakuru Law Courts, where they will be charged with various offences. That includes failure to follow Public Procurement Disposal Act, the laws relating to that, and also engaging in a project without prior planning.
Agikira mukode gwikio ngono kwa naya murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ungumania gitaro kia Rift Valley ya muhuro Hassan Haride augite anaya maikitio ngono kurumirira mahitia mekire mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2018 na 2019.
Following the investigations, we submitted our file to the Director of Public Prosecution, who has given us consent to prosecute 6 individuals, including a company.
Oho Haride augite ni marethana na umwe wa rugamiriri a kambuni ya Bonka Ventures Limited na uria uri riuriro. Kuringana na Haride anaya mahingirito ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Railways mwena wa Nakuru merigirire gukinywo igoti-ini muthe wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite. Haride ni athite na mbere na kuga ni megukorwo makiandikira ministry ya urimi makihoya kurugamio wira kwa atatu aya na hali ni kuma bodi ya mbeniko wona makinywo igoti-ini.
After we arraigned them in court, we'll be writing to the Minister of Agriculture and the PS to have them suspended from running the affairs of the public entity until they are prosecuted.
Ngukumio no yaniriirwo rita ria mbere mweri wa gatatu mwaka muhituku na ruhonge rwa thitango cia muingi rukoretwo rugitabania uthuthuria murikiru undu uria ucungiriirie anaya guikio ngono. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.